All right. Hello friend or friends, welcome to my first YouTube video. My name is Lauren, also known as Laura B. Crochet. I'm here in my office in front of my camera today because I'm going to show how to make a lovely little tote bag like the ones right behind me. This is what I'm going to show you today, this size. It's like a cute little mini bag, and I'm going to show how to make it with 3-stranded yarn. I've also made this with weight 5 bulky yarn and made this little cutie. Obviously you can use whatever yarn you want, but I will show you how to make this size with 3 strands of yarn. To get started, you're going to need some supplies, obviously. So the yarn I used for this one, I decided to go absolutely crazy with it, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to use a big twist, weight 4, this crazy one, along with, I think it is Karen 1 pound, it's a weight 4 as well, and then I'm going to use this, which I believe is a weight 2 or 3. So I'm going to combine these 3. I'm going to use a 9mm hook for this. You will need a pair of scissors, any will do, and then you'll need a yarn needle. I prefer the metal ones, but I lost all mine again, so I'm going to use this plastic one. So that's really all you need. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start by pulling out the 3 strands of yarn that I'm using, and I'm just going to hold them as if I'm using 1, which you will see. So I'm going to hold them as if they're 1. We're going to start with a slip knot, and I'll show you how to do a slip knot. It's very easy. So I'm going to take my yarn in my fingers like this, put my thumb under and my pointer finger over, and twist. And from there you have a little loop like this, and then you're going to take the bottom string, the short end, and pull it through like this. And from there you have a slip knot, and this is able to be tightened or loosened. So we'll just put that on our hook and tighten it up. Like that. So this project, I'm going to start with a chain of 20 to make the size that I showed you earlier. You can choose to do fewer or more depending on the size that you like. So now we have a chain of 20, and what we're going to do is double crochet into the 3rd chain. So we're going to skip this one, skip the next, and double crochet right into there. And to double crochet, you're going to take your yarn and yarn over, and then we're going to skip 1, 2, and go into the 3rd. So after you've yarned over, you're going to insert your hook, and then you're going to yarn over again, pull through. So now you have 3 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 3, yarn over 1 more time, pull through, and then yarn over the last time and pull through, and that is a double crochet. So now we have 1 double crochet, and then this is a little chain at the beginning, and that's going to count as a double crochet as well. So from here we're just going to double crochet in every stitch until we get to the end, and I will show you what to do from there. So I've just double crocheted in the 2nd to last stitch in the row, and in the very last one we are going to insert 3 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. From here we're just going to insert 1 double crochet into every stitch on the other side of the chain, and we'll come back to where we started. I just reached the end of the round, and I'm just going to complete the round by adding 2 double crochets into the space where the very first double crochet is. And then I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the round. And there's the first round. So from here, I'm going to continue along by just doing a chain 2, which counts as a double crochet, and then I'm going to double crochet 1 in every stitch around. The colors are coming out kind of in sync, which I'm loving. That was the goal of this project. So I'm completing my last double crochet, and to finish the round, I'm going to slip stitch into the top of the last round. As you can see, this gives the bag the curve on the bottom. And from here, it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to repeat what we did in the last round. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in every stitch around, and slip stitch to the top. And I'm going to do this for 8 rounds. You can do as many as you'd like. Okay, so I'm back. I've just finished my 8 rounds of the bag. And now we're going to add 1 round of single crochet. We're going to chain 1 and single crochet. So to single crochet, you will insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through, and that's a single crochet. So I'm just going to continue a single crochet around the whole bag, and we will come back at the end of the round. Alright, I'm going to slip stitch to finish the round, and there we go. And now the last step is to add the strap onto the bag. So it's super easy. We're going to use single crochet for that as well. So we'll start with a chain 1, and then you can make the strap as thick as you'd like. I've been doing 3 single crochets. So I did my 3, then I'm going to chain 1 again, turn, and then single crochet across. So I'll show again. I'm just going to chain 1, turn, and single crochet across. And I'm just going to repeat this until the strap is as long as I'd like. And I'm getting dangerously close to running out of this blue yarn. So we'll see how long I can make the strap. Okay, so my strap here is the length that I wanted. I'm going to make it pretty short today. And the last thing to finish the strap is to attach it to the other side of the bag. So to do that, I'm going to turn the bag inside out. And this way, when we crochet it to the other side, the seam will be on the inside. All I'm going to do here is use slip stitches to attach to the other side. So you're going to insert through the first stitch of the strap here, and then insert into the other side of your bag. And then you're going to yarn over and slip stitch through both of those. Again, you're going to insert into your strap the next stitch, and then insert into the bag, the side, yarn over, slip stitch, and repeat. Through the strap, through the side of the bag, yarn over, slip stitch. And then I like to do just one more slip stitch in the side of the bag only. Then you're going to cut your yarn, yarn over, and pull it through to finish off. And then while we're here, I'll just weave in the end. And if you had an end on the inside, you would just weave that in as well and snip it off. And there it is. A finished little baggie. Yay, we have a finished bag. If you made it to the end, congratulations. I hope you made something really cute. I actually really like how this color combination came out. If you liked my tutorial and you want to see more, let me know what you want to see. If you like crafting videos or crochet or knitting or that sort of thing, which you probably do because you're here at the end, I would love it if you would subscribe to help me grow my channel. If you want to keep up with me, I'm at Laurel B Crochet on everything. I post a lot of videos on Instagram and TikTok specifically. Thanks for watching, and I might see you in another video soon. Bye.